Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ohuhu 4-pack LED shuttlecocks for badminton. These are awesome. I actually have had experiences with these before in the past. Really happy with them. They're really cool. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. Here's how it's going to come packaged to you from Amazon. Go ahead in my video description below. Check out the link. It'll take you to Amazon. You can order them yourself, read some more reviews. Here's how they will come packaged to you. Really neat. And now we'll go ahead and open them up. So this is a 4-pack. Again, they're LED shuttlecocks. They're really lightweight, and they have they're feathery. So I don't want to. So they're nice. They have feathers on them, and then there's a little LED in here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all 4 of them out of the box, and you have a little need help or join us advertisement right there. So that's it. They will light up. I will go ahead and turn the studio lights off in a second. We can see that in the video. They're lighter than normal. I'm not the badminton expert, but from the other shuttlecocks that I have, these are lighter. They also are feathery and not as plasticky as the ones I have, so maybe they're nicer, fancier, or maybe they're cheaper. Not positive, but I do know my current ones are not LED, and it's really fun to have these at nighttime so you can play a lot longer. Now, long term, I'm not sure how they're going to hold up. The other ones I was using didn't hold up more than maybe an hour or two. The LED light would still work, but it loses its brightness somehow from just all the repetitive hitting back and forth. So that's why it's good to have a 4-pack, and maybe just for the price, they're so cheap on Amazon, maybe just have that mindset going forward that, if you get 1 or 2 or a whole weekend's worth of nights playing with these, you can't really expect anything more than that, just from the wear and tear of the sport. But they're really awesome. I'll go ahead and turn the lights off. All right, this is the best I can do right now. It's still light outside while I'm filming, and I can't cover those windows. But here are all the shuttlecocks lit up. Unfortunately, this one is blue. I don't know if you can see that when I do that. I have to hold the button down for this one to work. So again, what I was kind of talking about earlier, they won't survive the wear and tear. This one actually came to me damaged or defective, which kind of stinks, but again, it's a 4-pack and they're not very expensive. So yeah, really cool. We got the green, should be a blue, red, and a multicolored flashing one. So just picture that, flying in the air with you playing badminton is really cool. So if you're looking for some LED shuttlecocks, I definitely recommend these. Again, if you have that mindset of, okay, if I can't use them for more than a day or for the weekend, I'm prepared to throw them out because they're going to break, sort of thing, or just lose their functionality with the LED. It does stink, though, that this did have a defective one in the pack before, but that doesn't really scare me too much. And Amazon's so good, if I really wanted to, I could ask for my money back or return them and get a different pair. But yeah, really great, really cool shuttlecocks. Really appreciate you guys watching this video. Leave me questions, comments below. Look forward to talking with you and interacting with you in my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you all in the next video.